towards the back edge of the mat. Front knee is over front ankle. I'm starting to find that lift up from the base of my pelvic floor again so that I don't have to crash all of my weight onto my fingertips. Lovely. Then we'll plant the palms. We'll step the left toes back, come onto all fours, and send it back, extended child's pose. So bring the knees wide, send the hips back, and just take a moment to rest. Inhaling. Together, bend the knees, and as slow as you can go, forward fold all the way back down. If that is a little too much for today, you can lower the right knee, but otherwise we're going to keep the right heel lifted and we're going to work on reaching the right heel. From here, we're going to bring the fingertips to the mat and we're going to step just the right foot back. Great, just the right foot. Start to lower the hips. Right knee's going to stay lifted.